This old guy DIY video has to do with using a Danuser rear blade with a hydraulic cylinder to try and level and smooth this driveway. So the lady I'm working for got 75 tons of 411 crushed limestone yesterday, and my assignment today is try to smooth this thing out. So when I bought that Danuser a year or two ago, I did not have rear hydraulics on my tractor, so I didn't have them set up. I just put a turnbuckle in there effectively and left it set. So now I have the rear hydraulics thanks to Tractor Innovations for 500 bucks, and I can articulate this thing however I want. So last night in the dark I tried a little bit with adjusting the pitch and screwing around with the cylinder, and today I'm going to make a few more adjustments to see if I can become a world-class grader on day 2. This is what the driveway looks like where I've worked so far, and you see these kind of ruts, and I think it's because I have the unit pitched forward too far. I'm going to extend the top one to have it run really back. You can see where the paint is worn off the side of this thing. So I'm going to roll it back so it's actually riding on that radius and see if I can do a more professional job. This setup seems to work pretty well, leaving less marks in the driveway. You can see a little bit there at the edge where the edge is raised. And there is a little bit of aggregate that's going into the box, but not much. So I'll run around with this thing a few times and see how it looks. I'm pretty pleased with the way this thing turned out, but she wants it to have a finish more like a riding ring or rodeo, where it doesn't have these stripes in it. So I'm going to go make some modifications to a drag that I made a year ago that did not work out, and hopefully based on the modifications I make, we can make this thing look brand new and beautiful. So have a great day.